Understanding Sympathy Gift, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, sympathy gift. This phrase can be quite emotive and is important in English-speaking cultures. Let's dive in and understand its nuances together. A sympathy gift is a present given to someone who has recently experienced a loss or is going through a tough time. The purpose of this gift is not just to offer something physical, but to express compassion, support, and understanding. It's a way of showing that you care and are there for the person during their difficult period. Sympathy gifts are commonly given during times of bereavement, such as after the loss of a loved one, but can also be given during other tough times like serious illness, a breakup, or any significant life challenge. The reason behind giving a sympathy gift is to provide comfort and to communicate empathy. It's a tangible way to show that you are thinking of the person and share in their sorrow. Sympathy gifts can vary widely, but some common examples include flowers or a wreath to express condolences, comfort food, like a home-cooked meal or baked goods, a sympathy card with a heartfelt message, personalized items, like a photo frame with a special photo, books that offer comfort or deal with grief. It's important to note that cultural differences can influence what is considered an appropriate sympathy gift. What might be seen as a thoughtful gesture in one culture could be misunderstood in another. Therefore, it's always good to be aware of these differences, especially in multicultural environments. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and significance of a sympathy gift in English-speaking cultures. Remember, it's the thought and the intention behind the gift that truly counts. Thank you for watching, and we hope this lesson will be helpful in your English learning journey.